I'm here today to share our review on the Sunfire SF 120 Portable Radiator Heater. This is for indoor-outdoor use, and so our reason in purchasing this was because we have read that it has very low smell or aroma from the diesel or kerosene that you can burn in it. And so my husband's been eyeing this up for a while. He works on a farm, tractors, manure spreaders, all the things, and we live in a colder climate, so it's super important to have that area, that space heated up so that he can work on the machinery. So as we unbox it, it only had a few pieces that we actually had to put on. The heater itself was all together, so we just had to put on the wheels on the front. There's some legs on the back, and then even a shield across the top and across the face. Here's where your diesel or kerosene is going to go in. You have your fuel filter there as well. And so we did have to remove the spacers, but thankfully the bolts were in. So then we were able to just pop the front wheel bracket in place and just add the bolts and nuts back on. Once you pop the wheels on, you just have to put a cap on the end to hold the wheels on. So that was super easy. And then these are the feet that go on the back of the heater. And you can adjust the feet, so if for whatever reason it doesn't seem to be sitting level, you can adjust those as well. There were spacers on the back brackets as well, so you just have to remove those spacers. And then here we're putting on that front shield to just protect and keep anyone from touching the front of the heater. There is a handle that's also on the top, which would be great if you're going to lift this up and put it in the back of a truck to haul it somewhere else. So that's a super handy feature. This part was a little bit more challenging to put on. Once you get it started, it just popped right in. So we wheeled it out to fill her up. It does hold about 14 gallons, and they say it burns through about a gallon an hour. So this part we had to prime the fuel filter and get the diesel fuel moving through the lines to get all the air out, press the reset, turned it on, and then it just started preheating on its own. So I'll let you hear how it sounds. At this point, it did have to burn off, some dust and stuff that's inside. But we were quite shocked how high and wide you could feel the heat coming off this thing. It definitely will not take too long to take the chill out of the air for working on equipment in the shed.